Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of k from this equation. We're given that 8 raised to the power of k multiplied by 8 to power k is equal to 160. Then we are looking for the value of k. So in the left hand side, the first thing we're going to recall is when we have a raised to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y. This is the same as what a raised to the power of x plus y from multiplication property of indices. So that when they have the same basis, we just pick one of the base and add the power. So here, as you can see, 8 and 8, the bases are the same. So we just pick one of the base, then we add the power. K plus k is going to give us 2k, which is going to be equal to the right hand side, which is 160. So the next thing we're going to do, if you look at this equation, there's no way we can make the base to be the same. So since we cannot balance the base, we're going to apply logarithm. So we're going to take the log of both sides to base 10. So we take the log of the left hand side, we're going to have log of 8 raised to the power of 2k, which is going to be equal to log of 160. The next thing we're going to do is to apply power property of logarithm. We say that when a term has power, that power is going to go back to multiply the log. So when we do that, this 2k is going to go back. We are going to have 2k then log of 8, which is going to be equal to log of 160. So the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of k, since we are looking for the value of k. And the coefficient is any number or term that attached to that variable. So as you can see, 2 and log 8 attached to this k. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 log of 8, and also here we divide by the same thing, 2 log 8. So that this log 8 is going to cancel log 8, 2 is going to cancel 2. So we are left with just only k in the left hand side, which is going to be equal to this 2 here. We can factor it out, 1 over 2 into log of 160, then all over log of 8. So now we cannot just stop at here. So we need to simplify further to its lowest form. So we are going to have k to be equal to 1 over 2 into log 60, and here we have log 160, and here is log 8. What can we multiply by 8 to give us 160? So 8 multiplied by 20 is going to give us 160. So therefore, we can write 160 as what? 8 multiplied by 20. So everything all over log of 8. So now, we are going to recall that when we have log of a multiplied by b, this can be simplified as what? Log of a plus log of b. So we are going to apply this property to this numerator, whereby k is going to be equal to 1 over 2 open bracket log of 8 multiplied by 20. In form of this, we are going to write in form of this, which is going to be what? Log of 8 then plus log of 20 and everything all over log of 8. So in this bracket again, we're going to recall one of basic mathematics property. When we have a plus b over c, this is the same as what? A over c plus b over c. Since they have only one denominator, so they both terms can share that denominator. So therefore, as you can see, this is in form of this. We are going to transform into this, whereby this log 8, both terms in the numerator will share this log 8. So when we do that, apply that, you are going to have k to be equal to 1 over 2 open bracket log of 8 over log of 8, then plus log of 20 over log of 8. So now we are going to still simplify further. We have k to be equal to 1 over 2 into log 8 divided by log 8 is going to give us 1, then plus log of 20 all over log of 8. Now the next thing we are going to do, this 20 and 8, 20 can also be written as what? 4 multiplied by 5. So we are going to have k to be equal to 1 all over 2, then multiply by what? 1 plus log 20 is going to be the same as what? Log of 4 multiplied by 5 all over log of 8. Now k will be equal to, now here we are going to apply this property again. So this is going to be 1 over 2, then 1 plus, this is the same as us log 4, then plus log of 5, Then since they have log 8 as in the denominator, as you can see what we did here, so both of them can share log of 8 and also here log of 8. So now we need to simplify further again. We are going to break it into its lowest form. This is going to be k to be equal to 1 over 2, then open bracket 1 plus 4 and 8. 4 can also be written as what, 2 raised to the power of 2. And also 8 can be written as what, 2 raised to the power of 3, then plus log of 5 over 8 can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 also. Now we're going to recall power property of logarithm, whereby all this power is going to go back to multiply the log. So we're going to have k to be equal to 1 over 2, open bracket 1 plus, when this is going to come back, is going to be what, plus 2 log 2 over, this 3 is going to come back, we are going to have 3 log 2 plus then log of 5 over, this power is going to come back also, it's going to be 3 log 2. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to check whether if we can cancel anything. So we're going to have k to be equal to 1 over 2, open bracket 1 plus, here log 2 and log 2 is going to cancel. We are left with just 2 over 3. Then plus, here we can factor out 1 over 3 out. So it will remain log 5 all over log 2. Open bracket log of 5 then over log of 2. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to still simplify further. So we're going to have k to be equal to 1 all over 2, open bracket. 1 plus 2 over 3 is going to give us 5 over 3, then plus 1 all over 3, then multiply by log 5 over log 2. So recall this property, log of a over log of b. This is the same as what, log a to the base of b. So this is what we call changing of base property. So we're going to apply this property to this bracket, where a represents 5 and b represents 2. So written in this form is going to be what, log of 5 to the base of 2. Now the next thing is to use this 1 over 2 to open this bracket. So this is going to be k to be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 3 is going to give us 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by the whole of this is going to give us 1 over 6, or log 5 to the base of 2 over 6, because 1 multiplied by this is the same as log 5 to base 2. And here, since they have the same denominator, so we can just pick 1. So therefore, k now will be equal to 5 plus log of 5 to the base of 2 all over 6. So here is the value of k that satisfies this given equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.